This is about the content generation for 1 million product description project for one of the biggest e-commerce company, dhgate.com. I will give some initial overview about the project and some details about our company, the major challenges and way forward, and the solution approaches that we have taken and the future working opportunities. This is one of the biggest project that we have done for any e-commerce company like dhgate.com, where one of the major challenges was to generate SEO optimized content to bring more traffic on the site so that it will help the company to generate more revenue. Zayer Tech is one of the leading IT solutions and companies. So we are actually operating our business from Bangladesh, but we work with different clients from around the world. And nowadays we are actually working with the latest AI-based solution to generate content and some other AI-based supports for big companies. The major goal of this project was to generate SEO optimized content, which actually uploaded by the seller of this website, which was actually not SEO friendly. And the second major challenges is we have to generate 1 million content within a very short time period of 2 months. And the third challenge is we have to generate the content using AI solution, but we have to ensure that those contents are zero ChatGPT free. So the major challenges and way forwards that we have actually taken, I will cover it more in details in the 6 steps that we have taken. The solution approaches, so these are the 6 steps we have actually taken. Initially we have received the raw file which has all the content that was actually uploaded on the current site, and then we make it ready for the next stage, which we call the content generation. Here we actually connect our Google Sheet with the AI based solution that we have actually purchased for this project, and we ensure the timely generation of content per day basis. In the initial QA process, we actually tried to ensure that all the content, the title, the feature, the description has actually been generated in proper length and with the proper guidelines using the optimized prompt that we have initially identified. The next stage is the paraphrasing, which we actually done to ensure that the generated content is zero AI, which means it is bypassing the AI detection. And the last stage is the final QA, where we have ensured that our generated content actually maintain all the guidelines that we need to adhere as a standard e-commerce site. And finally, we download the file and deliver it using the proper communication channel. This is the team structure, where for each stage we have a team lead and around 20 members, more than 20 members actually worked in this project, where they have been grouped in 6 teams, and each team have a team leader. And as a project manager, I communicated with the project manager from dhgate.com. This is the project schedule plan that we have followed for all the 6 steps and for all the files. We have actually received all the files. In per file we have around 100k content, and we received it in 10 sheets. I will show a demo in the later phases. And we actually maintained each step separately, so along with the timeline. And finally the delivery, we try to ensure that we have been delivering everything within the particular time period. Based on the success of this project, we now have a confidence that we can, if we get more opportunity, we will be able to deliver more content within a short period of time. Like this time we will be able to deliver 1 million content in 1 month. And right now we have an experienced team who are already familiar with all the requirements of dhgate. So I believe the solutions, the expertise that will actually help us to to generate more content within a short period of time, and which will eventually give more success to DHgate, because they will be able to get more content, more SEO optimized content within a short period of time, and also with some optimized budget as well, because this time I believe we can reduce some of the cost about purchasing the tools and other things. And now I will show a quick demo about the work that we have done for this project. So initially we have explored different AI based solution, and based on that we have given a cost estimation. And once the cost estimation was actually approved, along with the cost estimation we also have provided a project milestone time period, and after that we done a cooperation agreement, and then we actually went for this plan, and where we have maintained all the timeline along with the milestone. All the files, after receiving the files, we actually created different folders in our Google Drive, and each main folder, each milestone, we have different folders. Like the input file, we kept all the files in the input folder. In the process, in the input folder, this is the raw file that we have received, and then in the processing file, this is actually we use for the generation of the content. Here is our common prompt, and here is all the content that we have generated for any file. And as I said, we have received 100k product details in a single file. So these are breakdown in 10 sheets. And after that, all the when everything is done, then the final QA is done along with this file, and this way the final delivery has been maintained. And once everything is done, we actually share those files through the communication channel in Skype as well as in the freelancer. So I believe together we will be able to work together again, and this time this will be a faster and quicker delivery, and hopefully this collaboration will go on. Thank you.